fourth graders. Welcome to day 3, our Math Meets Literacy Day. And by now, I know you know what this day means, okay? What this day is all about. So, no need for a long introduction. Let's just jump right in and get started with the fun. Our I can statement for today is, I can identify and describe plane and solid shapes according to their characteristics using pictures and models. Sounds familiar? Yes, I thought so. It's the same thing we've been doing all week. The only difference here are the models, okay? By the end of this lesson, your task will be to create models of shapes in different forms. Once again, by the time this lesson is over, your task will be to create models of shapes in different forms. Your first assignment will be to listen to the story, Captain Invincible and the Space Shapes, and then join me so that I can explain your project. So once more, you're going to listen to the story and then come on back and join me so that we can discuss your project. Before the story begins, let's take a look at the synopsis or summary written by the author. Captain Invincible and his intrepid space dog Comet are on a risky journey back to Earth. Throughout their mission, the fearless captain and his canine sidekick encounter asteroids, poisonous gas, and alien beings. But will their knowledge of three-dimensional shapes, including cubes, cones, and pyramids, help our heroes navigate past these obstacles and make it home safely? Who knows? Let's see. Okay, I'll see you after the story. Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story? Okay, so I have a few questions for you. Number 1, what made the journey back to Earth risky? Think about it. Now share your answer with someone. And number 2, what is one way the 3D shapes were used to navigate through space? Name one way the 3D shapes were used to navigate through space. Okay, share your answer with someone. Awesome. Great job. I'm sure you all were great listeners. Now on to your project. You are going to design and build a model of a neighborhood, playground, or office building made of plane and solid shapes. Okay, once more, design and build a model of a neighborhood, playground, or office building. Not all 3, you can if you want to, but at least choose one, okay? Made of both plane and solid shapes. Then write a description, a small paragraph of your creation to include characteristics or attributes of each shape used. Okay, so once you have designed it, built it, then you are going to tell about it, write about it. Tell me all the shapes that you use and write a brief description about the characteristics of each shape. Okay, let's take a look at what that could possibly look like. Let's take a look at this example here, this little town right here. As you can see, this little town has been made out of both plane shapes and solid shapes, okay? And then next to it, you see a small description. Now, this is just my description. When you write your description, please make it a little more colorful. Add more details, be a little more creative. But anyhow, here's just an example. Welcome to my shape neighborhood. My neighborhood is called Cube Capital. My house is surrounded by a hospital, pet shop, grocery store, and my grandparents' house. I even have a circle pond, which has all curved sides. Each building has 6 faces, 12 edges, and so on and so forth. You can make it as long as you like. Just be sure to add as many details as possible, okay? So now, here are some suggested materials. Construction paper, any paper will do, aluminum foil, any of those things. Crayons, markers, paint, tubes, shapes, cardboard, Lego sets, building blocks, sticks, straws, tape, scissors, glue, and any other household item that's available. But please be sure to ask for permission before you use the household items. If you have old magazines laying around, you may find some things in there, or just use the magazine in general. Okay? So I think you're ready. With all of that being said, when you are done, when your project is finished, please share. I would love to see your creations, okay? And ask your mom or your dad, your grandma, your friends, ask your family to help you. Remember, you don't have to do this alone, okay? Sketch out your ideas and then begin building using all those materials, or use what you have, but please be sure to ask for help. This will be a perfect family activity to do during this time. So when you are done, please scan the code using a cell phone or your tablet. If not, if that's not possible, type this address in on your computer. Okay, so once again, using a cell phone or tablet, scan this code here, and that should take you right to the Flipgrid so that you can upload it and talk about it, or actually just share it, record a video, share it, and discuss it. And be sure when you're sharing that you hold it up to the camera, or that you speak nice and loudly and look into the camera so that I can understand you, okay? And if not, if you're unable to scan this code, then just type this here, type this web address on your computer. And that's it. Have fun. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Once again, turn this into a family event, and I'll see you tomorrow.